Okay, this is Chris Moyer with Moyer Melodies, and today I'm going to be showing a brief tutorial on a very haunting piece. Many of you may know of the song about the Mockingbird, but this is Eminem's version, and I'm gonna add some things to it. But I'm gonna start with a very simple run through of the melody. And of course, there's a lot of lyricism that goes along with it, but I'm not going to get into that. I'll just play it for you first, the first way, the beginner method, and then I'll add a little bit more difficult parts as we progress. So here's the gist of how the Mockingbird goes by Eminem. I'm just going to make it simple in the bass. So that's the simple version. So I'll just go through the left hand part real quick. So you're only playing 3 notes in the left hand part, and you're starting at a low on an E, just below middle C. This is middle C here. So you're playing down on the E. That's just to the right of the 2 black notes below middle C. So on the first playthrough, it's, and then you're going down to the C, and then up to the D, and then back up to the E. And it's very simple. It just keeps repeating that same progression: E, C, D, and E. So as you notice, watch the left hand. You'll see E, C, D, E, and then it repeats: E, C, D, E, E again. So very simple in the left hand. Now let's look at the right hand real quick. So we're going to be starting on a B, half step below middle C. So here's middle C. We're going to be starting in on B. This actual song is in E minor. So we'll be starting on B. So we play the B 1 time, and then we play the G 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and then a slight pause, and then it goes up and down to the A, back to the G, and then the F sharp. All right, so we got B, G, 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 A, G, F sharp, and then twice again on the B. B, B, F sharp, G, F sharp, E. So pretty simple. I'll just play that again for you real slow. G, G, A, G, F sharp, B, B, F sharp, G, F sharp, E. So when we put it together, we have this. Sorry, here we go. All right. Now the next section on the right hand goes like this. Twice on the B, and then up to the E, back to the B, and then cross over to the A and G, back up to the A and the B. So it goes like this. B, B, E, B, A, G, A, B. And then the last section goes G, G, A, B, G, F sharp, E. So I'll play that one more time for you from the beginning. Okay, that's the first phrase. Second phrase. So when we put it together, we have this. And I'm playing the E down low in the left hand there. You can see it. Playing that low E down in the bass. So that's the gist of it. Now, once you have the simple outline of the song, it's really fun to do some improvisations. You can actually use a nice blues scale in E minor. You're basically the notes that you're going to be playing are E, kind of like a pentatonic scale, sort of. So we're using the notes of E, G, A, B, D, and E, and sometimes you can throw a F sharp in there. So if I was to mess around with this a little bit, I could play around and come up with something like this. There you go. So it's just once you get that simple E to the C and to the D and the E, you just go wild with it with your right hand. Have a lot of fun with that. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe, like my channel. I'll be coming out with some more songs too. I think I'm probably going to do Lose Yourself, the next Eminem song that I'll play. Show how to do. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and peace out. Have a great day. Bye.